Now in this video we'll study about the self energy of uniformly charged non-conducting sphere. Now in the previous video we studied about the self energy of a conducting sphere, and we saw that because the electric field of a conducting sphere extends from the surface to the infinity, so we can say that outside the shell or outside any conducting or non-conducting shell, the total U, the total energy, can be given by, let us say if this energy is from R to infinity, so it will be given by kq square upon 2r. We already saw how this came. Now let us say that we have a sphere of non-conducting nature and it is given a charge q. So since it is non-conducting, that charge will not just only be on the surface, it will be inside the body also. So because of the charge on the surface, this will be the energy. This we have already established. Let us say this is equation 1. Now what of the electric field inside the body? Since it is a non-conducting body and there are charges inside the body of the sphere, there will be some electric field inside. So just like in last video we took a shell outside the surface because all the electric field was outside. This time, since some electric field is on the inside also, so we'll take a shell on the inside. Now let us say that this shell has thickness dx and it is at a distance x from the center. Now the volume of this will be equal to the surface area of the shell, which is 4 pi x square, multiplied by the thickness of the shell, which will be dx. So this will be the total volume of this shell. Now as we know that inside the non-conducting shell, we have already derived that electric field is equal to kqr upon r cube. So in this case r is equal to x, so we can write kqx upon r cube. Now to find out the small energy because of this element dx, we'll substitute in the formula of energy. So if we substitute the values, we will get this will be the value of small energy du, half epsilon naught kqx upon r cube whole square. This is the E, and the value of dV will be 4 pi x square dx. Now to calculate the total field energy inside the sphere, remember this is the field energy inside the sphere. So if we calculate the total field energy, then it will be given as U, and it will be the integration of du. Now this integration, since we are taking only the surfaces inside the shell, so it will extend from 0 to the surface of the shell, which is the distance r. The sphere has the radius r, so that means this limit will be from 0 to r. If we take all the constants out, so it will be kq square upon 2 to the power 6, 0 to r, x to power 4 dx. Now the integration of x to power 4 will be x to power 5 upon 5. I'll just write it here. So thus we can say that field energy from 0 to r, that is inside the surface, this field energy can be given by the expression kq square upon 10r. So this is the energy inside the sphere. This was the energy outside the sphere. So if we say that the total self energy of this non-conducting charged shell, it will be a summation of self energy of a charge inside plus self energy outside the shell. Now if we substitute this value and calculate it, simplify the expression, then we will get that this will be equal to 3 upon 5 kq square upon r. So this will be the total field energy associated with a uniformly charged non-conducting sphere.